What not to feed to your dog. You should avoid ordering foods for your dog from this menu. While it is tempting to share your food with your furry family member, you should be aware that many of the human foods are poisonous for dogs. You should avoid ordering foods for your dog from the menu. Appetizers. Chocolates are considered poisonous for dogs. Chocolates contain caffeine and the bromine, which can be toxic for your dog. Chocolates can cause panting, vomiting, and diarrhea, and damage your dog's heart and nervous systems. Macadamia nuts. Macadamia nuts, also known as Australia nuts, can cause weakness, depression, vomiting, tremors and hypothermia in dogs. Chewing gum. Most chewing gum contains a sugar which has no effects on humans. However, it can cause a surge of insulin in dogs that drops a dog's blood sugar to dangerous level. If your dog eats large amount of gums, it can damage liver, kidney or worse. Mushrooms. Mushrooms are tricky. While some types of mushrooms are fine, others can be toxic for dogs. Some types of mushrooms can cause serious stomach issues for dogs. As a cautious dog owner, you should try to avoid giving mushrooms to your dog. Tobacco. Never give tobacco to your dog. The effects of nicotine on dogs are much more worse than humans. The toxic level of nicotine in dogs is 5 milligrams of nicotine per pound of body weight. In dogs, 10 milligrams per kilogram is potentially lethal. Main entries. Cooked bones. While raw bones are beneficial for your dog's teeth, cooked bones can be dangerous for your pup. Cooked bones are more brittle, which means it is highly likely they might splinter and cause internal injury to your dog. Liver. Feeding liver occasionally might be okay, but do not feed too much liver to your dog. Excessive consumption of liver can adversely affect your dog's muscles and bones. Dairy products. Some dogs would be fine with dairy products. However, dogs generally have relatively poor levels of tolerance to lactose, which is found in milk. As a result, it can cause diarrhea and other digestive issues. Cat food. A little cat food eaten by your dog may not be an issue. However, you feed cat food regularly to your dog, it can cause some health issues. Cat foods usually have higher level of protein and fat, which are not healthy for dogs. Dairy products. Some dogs would be fine with dairy products. However, dogs generally have relatively poor levels of tolerance to lactose, which is found in milk. As a result, it can cause diarrhea and other digestive issues. Drinks. Citrus oil extracts. Oil extracts from citrus fruits such as oranges, lemons and limes can cause irritation in your dog's digestive system, especially if consumed in large quantities. Dogs may experience diarrhea, vomiting, drooling, and trembling. Coffee. Too much coffee can be poisonous for your dog. Common signs of a coffee overdose include vomiting, tremors, restlessness, and rapid heart rate. In severe cases, seizures can appear. It's possible for dogs to collapse if high amounts of caffeine have been consumed. Alcohol. You should not even let your dog taste any kind of alcohol, let alone consume it in large quantity. The main ingredients used in beer, wine, and other alcoholic beverages are toxic and dangerous for dogs. Alcohol can cause poor breathing, abnormal acidity, intoxication, lack of coordination and even coma and/or death for a dog. Fruits and salads. Onions. Onions are dangerous for dogs. Try to avoid feeding onions, raw or cooked, to your dog. If the dog eats a small amount of onions every day for many days, it may gradually develop anemia over weeks to months. Peaches. Dogs may not experience any issues if they just consume peach flesh. However, pits of peaches are toxic to dogs. They may cause your dog to experience dilated pupils, dizziness and excessive drooling. Plums, stems, leaves, and seeds of plums are toxic for dogs. Dogs may experience brick red mucous membranes, dilated pupils, difficulty breathing, panting, and shock. Apple seeds. Apple seeds contain amygdalin, a form of cyanide. It can hinder blood from carrying oxygen throughout the body. Keep your pup away from apple seeds. Avocado. Avocado fruit, its pit and plant are toxic for dogs. Avocado damages heart, lung and other tissue in dogs in addition to stomach upset, vomiting and pancreatitis. If you need to know more or learn about training dogs, please do find the links provided in the description box. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe Paws and Pets for more updates. Do share your thoughts in the comment section.